The AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. You can keep your car's tires, bicycle tires, and even balloons perfectly inflated anytime and anywhere. In this article, we'll explore why this innovative device is a must-have car accessory for every driver. Reliable performance. The AstroAI Tire Inflator is designed to provide reliable and efficient performance, ensuring your tires are always at the right pressure. It operates on a 12V DC power source, making it compatible with most vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and even motorcycles. This means you can carry it in your vehicle and use it whenever you need it, whether on a long road trip or in an emergency. Digital precision. One standout feature of this tire inflator is its digital pressure gauge. With an easy-to-read LCD screen, you can set and monitor your desired tire pressure with precision. The gauge provides accurate readings in both SI, pounds per square inch, and bar, barometric pressure, ensuring you can adjust your tires to the correct levels for safety and fuel efficiency. Fast and efficient. The AstroAI Tire Inflator boasts a powerful motor that can inflate a standard car tire from flat to 35 psi in just a matter of minutes. This quick and efficient performance means you won't waste valuable time waiting by the side of the road or at a gas station. Additionally, the unit has a maximum pressure rating of 100 psi, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including larger tires on SUVs and trucks. Versatile applications. While the AstroAI Tire Inflator is perfect for maintaining your car's tire pressure, it's not limited to just automotive use. This versatile device can also be used to inflate bicycle tires, sports equipment, and even balloons. This versatility makes it a great addition to any household, ensuring you can keep all your inflatables properly inflated with ease. Emergency LED light. Safety is a top priority when dealing with tire issues on the road. The AstroAI Tire Inflator features a built-in LED light that can be used in emergencies. Whether you're changing a tire in the dark or need to alert others to your presence, this LED light provides added visibility and peace of mind during nighttime or low-light situations. Compact and portable. One of the key advantages of the AstroAI Tire Inflator is its portability. It's designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in your car's trunk or glove compartment. The included carrying case keeps the inflator and its accessories organized and protected, ensuring it's ready for use whenever you need it. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.